Today we're going to clear the jam tray error on your Brother HL-L2370DW. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is jam paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Check the paper for damage or irregularities that could prevent it from feeding properly. Also verify the weight and thickness of the paper. Follow the link on the screen for more information on paper specifications. Locate the white gears on the left side of the tray and rotate them, checking for gear damage and verifying that the metal plate raises and lowers as the gears are turned. If the gears are missing or damaged, the tray will need to be replaced. Reload the paper into the paper tray. Ensure the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now replace the paper tray inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.